What I'm gonna make for you today is a quick and easy lunch wrap. We're gonna do it in real time, no cuts, no edits. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. All right, get your tortilla. You flop the mayonnaise right on there. Just a nice little teaspoon or so. Get you some French's honey mustard. You know why we're doing it fast? Why? Why? Because I'm hungry. It's time to eat. It's lunchtime. All right, so we got some ham, some diced up red cabbage, onions, and some cheese. And throw the cheese right on there. Nice julienne slices. Some diced up onion. I guess it's not completely real time because I did this before, but anyway, keep on going. Doesn't take much longer than that. Anyway, throw it all on there. I find with wraps, if you stack them the right way, if you put the love and the care and the time into it, it tastes better. Keep that in mind when you're cooking. And throw the ham right on top of there. And I kind of want a little bit of spice on it, so let's go with a little bit of, come on, where is Sriracha? There it is. Everybody loves Sriracha. It's good on everything, just do it. Get it done. Little sprinkle of Sriracha, give it a little heat, and real quick, all right, you fold over, fold over, fold in, and see, tuck with the pinkies, and roll. And squeeze. Gonna give it a good squeeze on the plate. Rinse hands. Cut. Maybe a little chips. Oh, got chips all over the place. All right, there we are. Easy, quick lunch. You couldn't beat the time on that. Less than 3 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Go make yourself a quick and easy lunch today. You can make that lunch wrap before you go to work. You can make that lunch wrap before you go out on a hike. You can do it for a picnic. You can do it for your family. If you want to see more of me and my recipes, subscribe below and smash that bell so you won't miss an episode. And until next time, keep cooking, wrapping, and we'll see you later.